Hi guys, welcome to Accounting with Naomi. My name is Naomi Rikeza. I'm an accountant by profession and I have been a tutor for about 7 years now. I've been teaching accounting, financial accounting sciences, also do Microsoft Excel and of course and many more subjects. All right, okay. So I created Accounting with Naomi channel because I wanted to share my experiences and my knowledge of accounting with people that may be interested in it, people that may require it. For example, students that are studying towards a qualification in accounting, for example, bookkeepers at work currently, for example, accountants, and also small business owners. All right, small business owners who want to understand how the financials are being done. Let's say, for example, somebody's doing their financials and they want to understand how the financial statement is, or if a small business owner cannot afford to get an accountant and wants to try to do their own books as well, they can also learn if they want to learn. So basically the whole idea is I want to share my knowledge and my experience of accounting with everybody out there. It is my passion, it's my qualification, it's my career, it's my passion, it's what I love to do and I love to teach it. So you tune in Accounting with Naomi on YouTube. Subscribe guys, subscribe, hit the notification button to be notified of the new videos that are coming up. So I will be uploading videos every week. On Mondays I'll be uploading financial accounting videos, different topics. And then on Saturdays I'll be uploading videos on Microsoft Excel and as well as accounting systems, for example Parcel, Sage, Business Cloud, for example DraftWorks, for example QuickBooks, for example Zero or Zoho. There's many more. All right, please do tune in with me on this adventure. Do tune in with me. Let me turn you into a real accountant. Now I have qualifications in accounting. I've got a BCom, a degree in financial accounting sciences, and I obtained it with a distinction. It's a cum laude. So I also have a postgraduate diploma in accounting, which is equivalent to honors in accounting sciences. So I am knowledgeable. I do know what I'm talking about, so you can trust me. Let me turn you into an expert in accounting. All right, do tune in, share the links, comments, suggest for us videos that you would like us to do for you. I am here for you. I love to help, I love to teach. It is my passion and I want to turn you into an aspect. So do tune in into Accounting with Naomi.